obviously commitment to losing the weight. And Sheree, let's start with you. I see that there's all these healthy foods here. It was all about portion control for you, right?
Yes, and I'm a student. I'm a full-time graduate student. I'm always on the go. So portion control and meal prep really help me stay focused and succeed in my goals. So I have smoothies in the morning. When I get to class for lunch, I have a veggie wrap. For snacks, almond butter and apples. And then I even eat dinner in my 7 o'clock classes. So veggie quinoa and pita bread. So I don't have an excuse to not eat healthy because I have it all with me.
And healthy foods on the go. I know your husband was losing weight with you as well. Did that help?
Yes, he lost 93 pounds. So he is amazing. And we hold each other accountable. We both like to prep our meals and we work out together. So.
And Michael, you obviously focus on changing your diet and your eating habits. What was the most challenging part for you?